Hey, all right, let's get morning work for week 2, Wednesday looked at. So down here, how many oceans are on this map? All right, how many oceans? Well, we have the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic, the Southern, the Indian, and the Pacific. But hold on a minute, I thought we had already done Pacific. That's right. Okay, because the Pacific Ocean, remember that a globe is round, so if we were to take this and make it like a round globe, like that, then the other part of the Pacific Ocean would come out there. So we have one, two, three, four oceans here on the map. But you got to be careful because we also have the Arctic Ocean up here. So that is going to be five. Five oceans. Write the names of the oceans. Well, you would just copy those over on that map page. Let's move along to daily word problems with the bus. There are 28 students riding the bus. 12 of the students are girls. How many boys are riding the bus? So we know that we have 28 students. 12 of them are girls. How many are boys? So we're just going to subtract 28 minus 12. That will give us 16 boys. And daily language and math review. Use context clues to determine the meaning of the word. He had never ridden a horse before and was a novice. All right, if you are a novice, you are a rookie. You are new to it, an amateur. All right, any of those. No experience. Correct these sentences. Are you going to Charlotte, North Carolina this June? Are you going to Charlotte, comma, North Carolina this June? Question mark. All right, I went ahead and cut away because when I got to number 3, I realized that I had not done something I said I was going to do, and that was find um, a page or a document to help us with knowing whether or not something was supposed to be underlined or not. So I would like to get this screen up and going. I've added here to our homepage a resources, and so as we have questions like this, and I know that they'll come up again, all we need to do is look for it right here. So books and movies, and it pulls up this sheet right here. Okay, underline or italics will be underlining, and then quotation marks. So let's go back to this right here. We are reading a book called, all right, well, let's get to here. We are reading a book called, well, it's a book, all right? So let's come back over to here, and we see that a title of a book is underlined. All right. So, Skinny Bones is the name of the book, and then we will underline it. Okay, by Barbara Park. Capitalize the B in Barbara. Capitalize the P in Park. Period at the end. Period at the end. And then words spelled correctly. We have interesting and suppose. All right, let's take a look at our math down here. 18 minus 9 is going to give us 9. 6 plus 8, 14. Mark the shapes with no corners. Well, right there and right there. The oval and the circle. Write the number for 100. There we go. On Monday, Bob saw 7 deer in the meadow. On Friday, he saw 8 deer. Yesterday, he saw 4 more deer. How many deer did Bob see? Well, we're just going to add those up. 7 plus 8 plus 4. All right. So let's look right here. 7 plus 8, 14, 15, plus 4 more is 19 deer. And our minute math. Minute math. 8. Rate the missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many cookies are in all? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 here, there's 10 here, there's 10 here, and there's 2 right there. All right. So we have 32. 6 plus 7 gives us 13. Find the pattern. Write the missing numbers. We're counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. For questions 5 through 7, count the coins, write how much in all. Well, we have a nickel here, so that's 5. And then 1, 2, 3, we have 4 pennies, so that's going to be 9 cents. 2 dimes, that's 20, plus a nickel. It's going to give us 25 cents. And then 2 nickels is 10, plus 2 pennies gives me 12. Clay had 5 toy cars. His dad bought him 8 more. How many toy cars does Clay have in all? Well, we're going to add the 5 that he had and the 8 more that he got gives us 13. Use less than, greater than, or equal to. 58 is less than 72. And finally down here, 9 minus 7 gives us 2. All right, that's your morning work. And we'll see you here next time.